Realex Payments solves real problems for businesses that need to be paid. The company is one of the fastest growing payment businesses in Europe, offering compelling and holistic payment solutions backed up with world-class reliability and customer service. Realex Payments provides its customers with all the products needed to access payment services in a smart, secure and extensible fashion, giving clients more choices and support as they grow their businesses. Founded in 2000, Realex Payments has since enabled thousands of clients to scale their online businesses and expand their international reach in a safe and controlled manner. The company have won leading global brands as clients, such as Paddy Power, Chain Reaction Cycles, Vodafone, Virgin Atlantic and Aviva Insurance. Realex Payments also partners with financial institutions and provides white-labelled managed gateway services for large retailer bases, such as Global Payments UK, formerly HSBC Merchant Services. Headquartered in Dublin, the company also has offices in London and Paris. Realex Payments was founded by award-winning entrepreneur Colm Lyon. Colm is a leader in the payments business, driving real change and innovation, and has won numerous industry awards and accolades.
Realex Payments is a business that was started in 2000. And it's been a business that's really been on an amazing journey since then. So the volume of business that we're taking on is just increasing at an exponential rate all the time. And there's just more and more customers who are using the Realex Payments platform in order to be able to sell online. So our ambition is to continue to grow by at least 35% year on year over the next couple of years as we bring new products to the marketplace. We've spent a lot of time in Realex trying to make sure that we've built the right culture for this organisation. Together we set the aspiration for the business. It's not something that comes from me, it comes from the whole team. Everybody here wants to be successful, everybody wants to succeed, and we want to solve real problems for our customers. The thing about a strategy is sometimes it can sound overly complicated, what is your strategy? And certainly for us, like what we've tried to do is demystify that whole concept and kind of say, look, there are 4 questions that I really want to answer about this organisation. Number 1, can you tell me where you want to be? So like, what are your goals? Can you tell me what it is that you're making? So what's the product that you're making and the people that you're selling to, and how does it solve their problems? Can you tell me how you're different from the competition? And the last one, which I think is the best question of all, can you tell me why you think it's going to succeed? Every customer that signs up with us, it's a long-term experience and it's a long-term relationship that we hope to have with that customer. And that way then that customer becomes an advocate. An advocate being somebody who will say something nice about you when he's not asked. There are still numerous problems that customers are faced with when they're trying to sell online. It might be something like fraud, where they're concerned about who it is that's coming to their website, and are they really the person that they think that they are? Is it really their credit card number? There are problems perhaps from a consumer point of view that I'm not comfortable putting my credit card details on a particular website from a security point of view. Are the retailers trying to secure the data that he has collected? There are problems with the overall environment itself, sometimes being quite complex.
So for us, it's not enough to provide a compelling or holistic product. It's got to be provided with world-class service. And that world-class service is not just about doing enough, it's about going the extra mile. So that's something that we try to embed through the culture of the organisation. We have a formal structure in the Realex Academy, where we help people develop their skills. In fact, we go as far as assessing and certifying them. And then we have lots of informal methods, collaborative spaces, whereby people can really share their ideas. Our job is to optimise the payment process, and that's both from the merchant side and the consumer side. So the merchant, first of all, they have to have trust that they are actually going to receive the funds from that transaction. And the consumer has to be using a payment method that they're comfortable with and that they trust. We run out of 2 data centres. They're both live and both processing transactions right now, and the data is actually synchronously mirrored across both of those data centres. So it's quite a unique thing within the industry. And not only is our infrastructure world class, but our application is too. We also enable the merchant then to increase their revenue. So they increase their revenue by having access to a broad range of payment methods. And indeed, we also enable other revenue streams such as dynamic currency conversion. So all of that adds up to really a compelling and holistic product for both the merchant and the consumer, and that's wrapped in a world-class service and in a brand that they can trust.
Realex Payments is extraordinarily well positioned for the future. In particular, we can see the changes in the technology and changes in the regulation. So, there's no doubt that in the years ahead that Realex will be, bringing to market some of the most innovative, payment solutions that both businesses and consumers, we believe, are craving for today.